Ratu. Hi, I'm Logan.
And we're to Winton School called Ahau. I'm Connor.
Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for the 18th of September.
Today is Ratu.
On to today's notices.
Pet Day is coming up next term. Make sure you get your Pet Day count forms and hand them into the office.
Reminder that there is band on today at lunchtime in the hall. Please set up and be ready to go at 12:30.
Year 3 and 6 girls have miniball practice at lunch on the courts with Mr. T.
There is junior Kapa Haka in room 5 at morning tea.
Golf trials Thursday lunchtime, 12:40 p.m. Meet on the field across the road, year 5 and 8.
Please stay away and out of the library today. If you need photocopying, please go around and through the other side of the door, as there are photos happening in there.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Eden in room 7 and Shayla in room 12, who both had birthdays today.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play in this game. Read all notices in the text box below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo.
Hey, and see you tomorrow in school.